Children, today we are going to discuss about the poem Reading for Fun. The tree. Do you know what are trees? I think you know very well about the trees. So, today in our poem we are going to discuss about the Gulmohar tree. See how it looks like? I think you saw this tree in your surroundings also. It has very red flowers and sees like a very blooming tree. Okay, now we are going to read a poem about this tree, and it is written by Kiki N. Daruwala. Okay, he is the writer of this poem. Now what are we going to do is, we are going to learn about this poem. Now look, next to the track beside our house, Dad planted a gulmohar. We tended it, we watered it, it wanted more and more. What happened? Next to the track beside our house. Track means next to our house. What is the track means? A rough path or road. What is the track means? Underline it and write there. A-R-O-U-G-H, rough, P-A-T-H, path, or road, R-O-A-D, road. Okay, beside of their house, there, what happened? Their dad planted a gulmohar tree. See, this is the tree, gulmohar tree. Its name is gulmohar. We tended it. What is the meaning of the tended? Tended means they looked after, they cared for it. That small, it is so small means we have to take care, more care, right? So, we tended it means they looked after that tree, that small plant very carefully. We watered it. Yes or no? We have plants in our house means we will water it daily, right? So like that only, we tended it, we watered it. It wanted more and more. See how many water that plant needed. They used to take care of it and watered the plant daily. Now, going to the second paragraph. When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs, and some of us said, "Wow!" Its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. See what happened. For at first, when first its little shoots of green, you know na, when the plant is very small, chigurlu we will tell. Yes, small leaves, small little shoots of green in color, light green in color leaves will appear in the first of the plants. Yes or no? Yes. Spread across the boughs. What is the meaning of the boughs? In the correct main middle branch. Okay, middle branch. Boughs means what? Middle branch. A main branch of a tree. Okay. A main branch in that plant. Okay, it is a, boughs are known as a main branch. Now, and some of us said, "Wow!" And when the tree is going on, that small plant is going on growing, all of their family members said, wow, it looks so beautiful, so nice tree. Like that they started saying. Its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. Yes or no? Whenever the plants are very small, what the goats will do? Goats and cows, they will come and gaze in those plants. They will eat the plants or not? Yes. For that, for taking care of that small plant, they used to drove the goats and cows away from there. For why are they doing in that way? For saving the tree. Next, going to the third paragraph. It really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs care. What they are telling? Yes, it is so good for us also to take care of this small baby tree. Yes or no? Baby tree means we have to take more care for it. Next year, the green first changed to leaf. 1 year, like that 1 year passed on. Afterwards, what they did? After 1 year, the green first means, I told you na, first means a small fiber like, okay, a frizzy mass of fiber or hair, means small tiny things. Okay, next year that green fuzz changed to a big leaves. Now the leaves have grown. It turned into a red roof tree, a thing of beauty rare. What happened? By seeing only, the tree became very large. And it looked with the red color and so nice. A thing of beauty rare. It looked so much beautiful tree. It never spoke to us, of course. It just spoke to the winds. And now and then waved to the skies, but it gave us nothing. What they are telling now? It never spoke to us, of course. It just spoke to the winds. Now what they are saying? Yes, I know that tree will not speak with us, but my tree spoke to the winds and now and then waved to the skies, but it gave us everything. What? Our tree not used to talk with us, but it waved to the skies and it looks like it is very happy. And even though it is not talking with us, it gave us everything that we want. What it gave us, we will see in the next paragraph. Its falling flowers and its shade, they covered half the track. What the boy is saying now? It's falling flowers. Yes or no? The flowers will shed and they will fall on the ground. Yes. And its shade. Shade means nida. Okay. And it's falling flowers and its shade, they covered the half track. Means whole half of the road is covered with these beautiful red flowers. It sheltered us from sun and rain. The tree had paid us back. Means this tree gave them shelter by giving from the shelter from us, sun and rain. It protected us from the sun and rain. The tree had paid us back. Yes or no? They took the very care of this tree and grew it into a big tree. So, in return, what this tree gave to them? It gave them shelter from the sun and rain. Okay, is the tree paid back or not? Yes, the tree paid them back in the form of protecting them from the sun and rain. Yes, how is the poem, children? Yes, it is very nice. So, now we will watch a video.
The tree. Next to the track beside our house, Dad planted a gulmohar. We tended it, we watered it. It wanted more and more. When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs, and some of us said, wow, its branches were so low. We drove the goats away and cows. It really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs care. Next year, the green fuzz changed to leaf. It turned into a red roof tree, a thing of beauty rare. It never spoke to us, of course. It just spoke to the winds, and now and then waved to the skies, but it gave us everything. Its falling flowers and its shade, they covered half the track. It sheltered us from sun and rain. The tree had paid us back.
The banyan tree is known for its ability to survive and grow for centuries. Its scientific name is Ficus benghalensis. It holds a significant place in mythology and is believed to be a wish-fulfilling tree. Its aerial roots grow down into the soil, forming additional trunks, and is therefore called the one with several feet. In Paradise Lost, poet John Milton writes that Adam and Eve made the first clothes from banyan leaves. The banyan tree has many benefits. It is one of the largest suppliers of oxygen among trees. It is an extensive source of shade. The bark and seeds of the tree are used as a tonic to treat diabetes. The roots are used to strengthen teeth and gums by brushing with them. The sap treats external skin bruising and inflammation. Because of so many benefits, the banyan tree is considered very important among trees.